You're watching I Am Winston Joe cooking 832. Yes, 832 on the YouTube platform. This will be my trailer to my upcoming premiere video for Easter. This is my Easter bun that I made here today. And you'll see this on the I Am Winston Joe cooking 832 on the YouTube. These are for Easter. This is what we normally